Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix KB5079473. Security update not installing on Windows 11. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as an administrator. Run the provided commands one by one, such as SFC/scanno. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. DISM/online/cleanup-image/start component cleanup. Let each scan complete, then restart your computer. After restart, open Windows Settings. Windows Update, click Pause. Updates, then resume Updates, and try installing again. If it still doesn't work, type Services in the search box and open it. Find Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. Open each one, set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, Start if available, pause and then restart the service. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry. If the update still fails, open the Microsoft Update catalog in a browser. Search for KB5079473, download the version that matches your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. If the problem continues, go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options Recovery, and select Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current Windows version without removing files or apps. As a last step, you can use the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website to repair and update Windows. One of these methods should help install the update successfully. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.